parang may nagkaroon ng time na nawala yung self-worth ko.
You know, you have to work to help your husband with the finances, to help prepare finances for your children for their future.
Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, pag age mo ng 35, wala na. Para kasing etsapuera ka na.
And it feels like hindi ko alam kung paano ko mag-gain yung confidence ko. Pag naging mom na sila, parang nawawala na yung career path nila.
Kasi na-fed up ako sa sobrang traffic. So, papasok, dahil madaling araw, either mag-grab ako or mag-aangkas, which is malaki-laki yung expenses.
The time spent with your kids and family are far more important than any job title out there.
Nag-decide ako na maghanap ng online job at nakakuha nga ako. Sobrang saya ko talaga. Kaya tinulungan ko rin yung iba kong mga mommy friends at nagkaroon rin sila ng sarili nilang online job. Kaya doon ako na-inspire at nag-decide na simula ng Filipina home-based moms.
FHMoms community was created for mothers, for single women, for women professionals and entrepreneurs, for women overseas Filipino workers, for differently abled women, and even for young at heart women. FHMoms is a women community.
Nung nagsimula yung FHMoms, hindi ko in-expect na ganito ka magiging malaki. Ngayon, meron na kaming more than 250,000 members nationwide. Dati, ang tingin ng mga tao sa amin, community lang. No? Ngayon, social enterprise na kami with different projects na tumutulong sa mga kababaihan.
We have free webinars about freelancing, entrepreneurship, parenting, and personal growth. We offer online short courses as well as mastery courses with trainers' 1-year support. We also run a scholarship program and an internship program. We also facilitate charity activities where we are joined by community members as volunteers. Job matching program is something they can also look forward to, as well as e-commerce program. And to celebrate motherhood, we also have online bootcamp for kids. We also have the computer rent-to-own program for members who need assistance in acquiring a computer set. Aspire to be a strong-willed, independent woman.
Mas gusto kong maging productive at saka naniniwala ako sa continuous learning.
Inspire other women.
Everyone was uplifting each other. Everyone was trying to help each other. In this world, you have to be more kind. You have to be more helpful because everyone is fighting their own battles, and you have to understand, you have to empathize. And that is what FHMoms is doing with all the moms out there. Even if you're not a mom, you would feel welcome.
Empower each woman to be in their fullest potential.
And most importantly, Mommy MK and the team model humility and generosity. Talagang ito yung very evident, which impacted me the most. So it gave me the desire to share freely to others what I learned freely from the FHMoms community. And I've always loved the community, the motive of the community, that is to change the world one mom at a time. Good job, FHMoms.
Aspire, inspire, empower. Nothing is stronger than a community of women lifting each other up.
To be among women who have genuinely tried to help people. This is something that I feel passionately about, and then this is something that I saw in FHMoms.
God is good. Kasi parang naturo sa akin itong FHMoms na pinakita sa akin na kahit nasa bahay ka, kahit nag-aalaga ka ng anak mo, it won't stop na dun ka lang. Yun lang yung pwede mong gawin.
Without this community, I'm not here in this situation. So FHMoms po yung nag-guide and nag-mold sa akin to be the best working at home mom I could ever be.
Ang pinakamalaking impact sa FHMoms sa akin is their quote, which is moving forward, giving back. That's the very essence of FHMoms eh.
That's what I like about this group kasi we encourage and inspire each other to keep dreaming, to chase our dreams. It's actually a big impact kasi if you are losing hope and wala ka ng gana and all, but because of this page, mapapasana all ka.
Dahil sa online job, natupad ko yung mga pangarap ko at Ang pinakapangarap ko na lang ay matupad yung pangarap ng lahat ng mga mommies. Huwag tayong titigil na abutin lahat ng mga pangarap natin, masipagan pa natin at huwag tayong susuko. Kaya kung feeling nyo hindi kayo techie, feeling nyo hindi pasok ang edad nyo para dito sa online freelancing, huwag nyong iisipin yon kasi sobrang daming opportunities ang pwedeng ibigay sa inyo online. At nandito ang Filipina Home-Based Moms para suportahan kayo. Para sa mga naghahanap ng online job at gusto ring matuto pagdating sa online business, you can join Filipina Home-Based Moms Facebook group. My name is MK Bertulfo, CEO and founder of Filipina Home-Based Moms, and our goal is to change lives one mom at a time.
Hi everyone! Good afternoon everyone! So it's another Friday na naman ng puno ng tawag dito, new learnings and everything. So kamusta po kayong lahat? So tingnan nga natin kung sino ang ating mga viewers for today. So hi Mommy Sherry DP Lavilla, watching from Sultan Kudarat. Wow! Lalayo pala ng ating mga viewers today, Sultan Kudarat. Sino ba? Yan. Si Mommy Levis Kondo Gika, watching from Manila. Hi po, Mommy. Thank you for watching. And also, another Mommy that's watching from Japan. Hi po. Thank you po for watching. Ayan. So, nagbibinata tayo ngayon. Ayan. Medyo ating mga bosses. Hi po kay Mommy Alma Aguas Salas, watching from Nueva Ecija. Hello po, thank you for watching. Ayan, so, and, so marami tayong viewers today, no? Iba-iba yung pinanggalingan. Si Mommy Ale Abinir naman is from Naga City. Hi po, Mommy Ale. Sana tama yung aking pronunciation ng iyong name. Ayan. So, napaka-dami nating ano. So, Mommy Celeste Ramos po, watching from QC, Quezon City. Hi po! Thank you for watching. Ayan. So, alright. So, kamusta po kayong lahat? Ayan pa, si Mommy Krisha, no? Hi po, Mommy Krisha. Thank you po, watching from Rizal. Ayan, sakto daw, tulog yung baby niya. So, makakapanood siya. And Mommy Dien Sangria, watching from Dasmariñas, Cavite. Naman nga. Hi po, Mommy. Or kung hindi man po, Mommy, sorry po. Thank you so much po for watching today, no? So, yung nag-spare po kayo ng time just to be with us is really, we are very thankful po, no? So, for today, I know I said previous webinar na pag-uusapan natin is all about financial reports and everything. But that would be on our next webinar. So bigyan natin daan ngayong araw na ito is yung introduction to accounting and bookkeeping. Kasi hanggang ngayon, marami pa rin talaga ang nakukonfuse. Nakukonfuse sila about accounting and bookkeeping. Yung iba naman, naku-curious. So don't forget to like, share, and tag your friends, no? Para marami pong panood nitong ating live webinar. So, para matutunan, marami din pong, or madagdagan din po yung mga kamamis natin na marami din pong matututunan today. Ano po? So, thank you again sa lahat ng ating mga viewers today, no? So, anyways, I'm gonna share my screen now. So, alam kong excited na kayo. Let me know kung nakikita niyo ang aking screen. Let's see. Wala ang screen ko, charot. Ayan. So, nakikita niyo po ba ang screen ko? Parang mali yata ako na na-share. Ayun, tama pala. Kinabahan ako. Anyways, so eto na. Magsisimula na po tayo. So welcome to Introduction to Accounting and Bookkeeping. So, ano ba yung meron sa accounting and bookkeeping? Ano ba ang agenda natin for today? So, syempre, hindi mawawala ang bookkeeping definition. Ano ba yung bookkeeping na yan? Lagi ko naririnig, nakikita sa Upwork, sa OMJ, sa lahat ng online job platforms. Ayan. Ano ba ang history ng bookkeeping? Introduction to bookkeeping basics. So ano ba yung mga ginagawa ano bang ginagawa ng bookkeeper o paano ba ginagawa ang bookkeeping? Tapos, ano ba ang pagkakaiba between accounting and bookkeeping? And syempre, ipapakita ko rin po sa inyo kung ano ba yung accounting and bookkeeping mastery course ni FHMoms. So dito po iikot ang ating topics for today. Ayan. So next. Ayan. So, dun muna tayo sa definition ng bookkeeping. Ano nga po ba ang bookkeeping? Naalala ko yung syempre yung mga bata, no, innocent, very innocent sila, and they literally take, parang literal lagi yung pagkakaintindi nila sa mga bagay-bagay. So, akala niya, when you say bookkeeping or bookkeeper, ikaw ay isang librarian na nakikip ng books. Ano bang cute? Ewan ko, nakakatuwa lang kasi yung mga bata thinking talaga nila, what is your mommy's job? Sasabihin niya, my mom is an accountant and bookkeeper. Tapos, what does your mommy do? Siyempre, hindi naman nila alam kung ano yung accounting and bookkeeping. So, sasabihin naman ng iyong anak is ganito. She keeps books. So, parang, ang iniisip nila, tagapag-ingat ka ng mga libro sa library. So, hindi po yun yun, no? Hindi po yun yun. Baka tayo ma-confuse. Hindi po yun yun. So, ang bookkeeping kasi, it's actually the practice of recording and tracking the financial transactions of a business. So, sa bookkeeping, doon tayo nag-record ng transactions. So, mula sa mga invoices, sa bills, so lahat ng iyong sales, i-record mo yan. Yung bills mo, yung mga bayarin mo, i-record mo yan. So, sa bookkeeping po yung ginagawa, yung pagre-record po ng financial transaction. So, ang mga bookkeepers kasi, they regularly summarize yung activity into reports, and then these reports po show how the business is doing. They may also perform wider tasks such as invoicing, paying bills, preparing tax returns, monitoring key performance indicators, and providing strategic advice. So, hindi lang po basta pagpapasok or pag-record o pag-track ng financial transaction ng ginagawa ng bookkeeping, no? Siyempre, may other tasks ito like, binanggit ko kanina, invoicing. So, when you say invoicing, no, you are issuing a document to a customer. Yun po yung tinatawag ng invoicing. Then, paying bills, syempre, bayad-bayad ka ng bills mo. Syempre, ang business naman, lahat yan laging may expenses. So, you need to pay bills para magtuloy-tuloy ang processes ninyo sa business. Preparing tax returns, yes, ginagawa din po yan. And we also do the monitoring ng key performance indicators o yung KPIs. And we also provide strategic advice. So, malawak po ang sakop ni bookkeeping. Alright. So, di ba? Additional info yan, no? So, ito ngayon, ang history ng bookkeeping. Lahat naman ay may pinagmulan. Saan nga ba galing yung bookkeeping na yan? Okay. So, nanggaling po ito, nag-start siya sa Assyria as far back as 7,000 BC. So, napakatagal na pong panahon. Hindi pa tayo mga pinapanganak. So, archives have been discovered showing the recording of accounts from farm produce in ancient Greece as well as from the Roman Empire. But, ito yun ha, ito siste. It's in the 15th century that the roots of the modern bookkeeping can be found. So, nag-start talaga yung modern bookkeeping, no? 15th century. Meron tayong and two entries no, sa history books na nag-document ng double entry system. So, yung unang pinaread is si Benedetto Cutrogli at ang kanyang Court of Commerce and the Merchant. Pero, hindi siya mother of bookkeeping. Mas naging sikat si Luca Pacioli. Siya yung tinatawag natin na father of bookkeeping. Dahil dun yun sa kanyang book ng arithmetic, geometry ratio, and proportion yung noong 24. So, look up, actually, napakahirap kasi syempre, parang Italian, no? O, tama, Italian na. An Italian mathematician and Franciscan monk, Pacioli wrote the first popular description of the double entry system and the use of various bookkeeping tools such as journals and ledgers. Yeah, familiar na, journals and ledgers. Parang parang may nag-ping, no, narinig yung journals and of course, I believe, naririnig nyo na yan, yung journals and ledgers. Kasi kahit naman noong high school, di ba, kung meron tayong mga, what you call, parang elective class. So, naalala ko may ganun kami na parang mayroong isang particular kasi na section noon, ang elective class nila accounting. So, naririnig ko na yung mga journal ledger, parang problemado sila noon. Tapos, doon ko lang siya talaga narinig. Pero hindi yun yung elective namin noon. Drama ko lang elective ko noon. So, di ba layo, no? So, anyways, ayun nga. So, doon nagsimula yung mga journals and ledgers, no? And then, nag-teaching book niya for bookkeeping and accounting for the next several hundred years. Ang tibay ng libro niya, tumagal. Ibig ko sabihin, talagang yung information, yung na-impart niya is talagang tumatak. Kasi imagine niyo, several hundred years, it's still existing. At yun talagang ginagamit natin ngayon sa modern bookkeeping, yung tinatawag natin na double entry system. Okay? So, kumbaga, ang bookkeeping became a recognized profession in UK and US in the 1800s. So, pagdating ng 1800s, nakilala na ang bookkeeping, naging profession siya. Ayan. Ganda, no? Galing. So, ano nga ba ang normal na ginagawa sa bookkeeping? Ano ba yung ano? So, ito. Normally, no, ang bookkeeping kasi, umiikot kasi ito sa tinatawag natin na books. The books. Or yung tinatawag po namin na general ledger, or sa iba, ang tawag nila accounts. So, meron kasing 5 class yan. Ang general ledger natin, binubuo ng 5 groups yan, or class. So, we call it the assets, the liabilities, and the owner's equities. Kung mapapansin nyo, magkakakulay sila, it's because magkakasama sila. So, same color, dapat laging kakasama, charot. Ayun. Then, matatagpuan po natin ang assets, liabilities, and owner's equity sa balance sheet. So, yun yung report. Doon, yung summary po ng assets, liabilities, and equity na kay balance sheet po yan. Si balance sheet po ang magpapakita sa inyo yan. Si income and expense naman po, syempre, kilala yan ng ating mga mommy. Syempre, alam niyo po yung income and expense. Kasi, tayo, kumbaga sa ating bahay, no, kayo ang bookkeeper ng pamilya. So, alam niyo yung income and expense na yan, budget dyan, cash flow dyan. Ang hindi nyo alam, no, yung ginagawa na normal sa bahay. It's like you're actually doing bookkeeping na. But within your family. So, yung income kasi, ito yung money na pumapasok from your sales. Yun sa inyong negosyo. Sa pag-run ng course ng iyong business, yung natatanggap mo na cash sa bentahan mo or yung bayad sa service mo, income po ang tawag doon. And then, the money out or yung inilalabas mong pera para makapag-operate yung business mo, that's what we call the expenses. And then, these two group of items can be found on the profit and loss. So, or yung P&L na tinatag, siguro for sure naririnig yung mga P&L, diba? For sure naririnig niya. So, yun po yung P&L. Actually, hindi siya P&L. Kasi minsan na-confuse nila. Ano ba yung P&L? Hindi naman yung P&L. P&L. Ayun. So, yun yung profit and loss. So, ang balance sheet po kasi nagpapakita yan ng financial position ng isang company. While yung profit and loss po, it shows the performance of the company. So, yun po yung pagkakaiba ng dalawang yan. So, pareho pong reports. So, ito mga importanteng reports yung balance sheet at P&L. Very important when sa ating mga clients o yung sa mga business owners, napaka-important po niya balance sheet. Okay. Next. So ano po ba ang pagkakaiba ng bookkeeping and accounting? So ganito kasi yun, no? They always, many people po kasi naku-confuse. Akala nila, pareho lang po ang bookkeeping and accounting. But definitely, magkaiba po yan. So, in the next slide, malalaman nyo kung bakit sila naging magkaiba. Okay, so unahin natin ang bookkeeping. So again, bookkeeping po refers to the day-to-day upkeep of a business financial records. So, bookkeepers used to simply gather and quality check the information from which accounts were prepared. So, sa bookkeeping, tayo po ang tagapagbantay ng libro ng kumpanya. Not technically tagapagbantay, but tayo po yung nag-monitor, nag-keep track. Kumbaga tayo din yung nag-make sure na every financial transaction is recorded. So hindi po basta-basta na data entry to, ha. Yung pong ginagawa po ninyong pagpapasok ng financial transaction sa system is hindi po siya basta-basta lang na pinapasok. Ina-analyze po yan ng mga bookkeeper yung transaction. May mga criteria yan. Ika-classify pa nila yan kung saan dapat pumasok. So hindi siya basta lang pasok ng pasok. So kailangan talaga you have the basic knowledge when it comes to journal entries. So yun yung isa sa pinaka-importante talaga. Dapat alam mo yung mga accounts na yan, naiintindihan mo yung mga accounts. Dapat alam mo kung ano ba yung asset, liabilities, equity. Dapat alam mo yung income and expenses. So yun yung mga, kumbaga, dapat na foundation mo if you want to do bookkeeping talaga. So, ito yung makikita niyo sa screen natin. We have the data entry, the invoicing, the bank reconciliation, the paying of the bills. These are some of the tasks na ginagawa sa bookkeeping. So, alam niyo na yung data entry, it's entering of information, no? Invoicing, ito yung kapag nag-i-issue ka ng document, ng invoice, papunta kay customer kapag may benta. When we say bank reconciliation naman po, is it, actually, the bank reconciliation po is yung nire-reconcile po natin yung transactions mo sa libro versus doon sa bank statement. So, dapat, after the reconciliation, dapat pareho lang balance naka-declare mo sa books ng balance ng bangko mo versus doon sa statement ni bank. Dapat pareho yan. Hindi pwedeng magkaiba. And of course, kasama din po yung pagbabayad ng bills. So, sa pagbabayad kasi ng bills, pwedeng ang gagamitin niyo po is yung kung built-in na siya sa system o kaya pwedeng direct sa bank or online banking. Pwede kasi tayong gumawa ng e-check. May tinatawag tayong mga e-check, ACH. So, iba't iba yung klase ng way ng pagbabayad ng bills. So, depende sa company policy. Okay. So, ngayon naman, ano naman yung accounting? Okay. So, kanina, ang focus ni bookkeeping is to maintain ng financial books ng libro, mag-maintain ng libro. Si accounting naman, ang ginagawa niya, they do the analysis, the reporting of the data that the bookkeepers gather. So from the information, from the data that the bookkeeper had entered in the system, doon po magmumula o magsisimula yung trabaho naman ni accounting. Yun ay mag-analyze, mag-report, at mag-summarize. So, si accounting kasi, they give reports, they give picture of the financial performance ng business. O ano yun, di ba? Balance sheet yun. And, income statement pala, performance nga pala, sorry. And determine how much tax is owed. So, sa accounting po yan, kinukompute. So, may mga times na parang yung work nila, minsan nagkakapalit, minsan basta I believe, they relate to each other. Dapat talaga maganda yung built ng relationship ng bookkeeping and accounting. Kasi magkadugtong ginagawa nila. Kumbaga, hindi mo mapapaghiwalay. So, ano bang meron sa accounting? Ano bang manimit ang ginagawa nila? Ano ba yung mga tasks? So, they usually focus on the monthly reports, the tax preparation, payroll, end of year reports. Ayan, yan yung mga these are not all the tasks, they are some lang siya, some of the tasks na iilan lang po yan sa mga tasks na ginagawa nila. Kumbaga ito yung mga sample lang. Pero yan, kasama yan sa kanilang tinatrabaho. So ayun. So ngayon, alam niyo na pagkakaiba ng bookkeeping and accounting. Magkaiba po sila. Again ha, they are different ha, hindi sila pareho. Pero pwede pong mangyari na ikaw na ang bookkeeper, ikaw ang accountant. Pwede yun. Nangyayari po sa totoong buhay, lalo na kung iisa ka lang na nasa accounting. At kumbaga nasa finance and accounting na department, iisa ka lang, ikaw lang din natin gagawa. Yun naman tinatawag natin na full charge. So, ngayon naman, ano po ba ang meron sa accounting and bookkeeping mastery course ni FHMoms? So, ang accounting and bookkeeping mastery course po ni FHMoms is divided into 6 parts. So, meron po tayong 6 parts, meron po tayong 55 topics and 5 bonus topics. So, all in all, 60 po na lessons. So, ang magandahan po sa accounting and bookkeeping mastery course ni FHMoms is 3 po yung certificates na makuha nyo. But take note, hindi po siya basta-basta nakukuha. Kasi una po sa lahat, yung QBO po, QBO Pro Advisor Certificate and Zero Advisor Certificate po is need nyo po iyang maipasa muna before nyo po makuha yung certificate. So, may mga modules po kayo na kailangang aralin, and then after that, you take the exam, and then i-issuehan po kayo ni QBO and Zero ng certificates once you pass exam. Madali po bang exam? Kaya ninyo. Kung sila nag-ipasa nila, so kayo din mong pasa. And another certificate na makukuha nyo rin is of course the certificate, mastery course certificate of completion from FHMoms. Pero, ang system lang in order for you to get that certificate of completion, you have to at least pass at least one certification, then kay QBO or Zero, then you have to pass the practical exam. So, kailangan makakapag-certify ka muna kahit Zero or QuickBooks, and then once nakapag-certify ka na, pwede ka na mag-take ng practical exam. The practical exam is, umiikot po yan kay QuickBooks. So, sa practical exam, doon po natin i-test kung paano mo i-apply ang bookkeeping using the QuickBooks. So, doon siya iikot. And then, once you pass the practical exam, then, pwede na po kayong issuehan. Gagraduate na kayo, plus, i-issuehan po kayo ni FHMoms ng Certificate of Completion. O, di ba ang galing? 3 ang iyong certificate. Bongga. Ayan. So, don't worry po. Hindi naman po, madali lang po yan. Kayang-kaya niyan. Kung akong tatanungin niyo. Ayan. So, ayun. So, yun po yung ating accounting and bookkeeping. So, now we can now go to the Q&A. So, for sure, marami tayong mga katanungan. Ayan. So, tingnan natin ang mga questions nila. Kailangan ba accounting ang course mo bago ka mag-apply ng ganitong VA work? Mami, ano lang, no, i-differentiate ko lang, no, hindi po siya VA. Iba po kasi yung virtual assistant. Minsan kasi napapagkamalan na virtual assistant yung sa bookkeeper po. Different po ang virtual assistant sa bookkeeper. So, hindi naman po necessary. Actually, of course, advantage kung talagang ikaw ay accounting graduate. Kasi syempre, kumbaga, mas vast yung knowledge mo when it comes to bookkeeping and accounting. Pero hindi naman po ibig sabihin na kung hindi ka accounting course, ay hindi ka na pwedeng mag-apply for a bookkeeper job. Kasi marami po akong kilala na hindi naman po sila accounting graduate, pero they were able to apply for the bookkeeping job. Okay. So, ang ginawa lang po nila is, syempre, kailangan nilang pag-aralan. Kailangan nilang matutunan kung paano ba ito ginagawa ng mga talagang nag-aral. And then, they apply, and then, ayun, they were able to earn dollars. Meron ako talaga, may mga colleagues ako na hindi sila talaga graduate ng accounting, but, it's because talagang they really want. Kasi gano'n yun, di ba? Pag gusto mo kasi ang isang bagay, you put effort talaga para makuha mo yun. So, gano'n siya. So, kahit hindi siya accounting, he was able to do bookkeeping. At saka magaling siya, in fairness. At for for a person na hindi yun yung course. Magaling siya, in fairness. So, depende po yan sa yung commitment talaga kung gusto mo. So, I believe, yes, kayang-kaya po niyo yan. Kung talaga lang po pagtutuunan talaga ng effort and time. At syempre, ng sipag. Thank you po sa ating mommy na nag-ask ng question. Next po, another question from, ba't kaya Facebook user lumalabas, no? BSBA Financial Management here. For your experience in accounting as accounts receivable, saan kaya may free training ng QBO at zero? Hindi ko po alam eh. I believe naman, no? Siguro kung, you go to YouTube siguro, may mga free naman doon. But, syempre, hindi lahat ng nakikita natin kasi talaga is magagamit natin. But yes, you can actually, you can be BFF with Google, to be honest eh. Search ka lang, type ka lang, yun, lalabas na yung mga training, yung kumbaga mga videos regarding sa QuickBooks and Zero. Thank you po sa inyong question. Next question po. Money, kay Mommy ST Rivera, ito galing mo. Mami, paano kapag di ako nakapag-take ng exam, but nag-lapse na yung free QB at zero ko? Mami, ito yung lagi kong ine-explain sa student ko. No? Wala pong kinalaman ang expiration ng subscription nyo po ng free trial ng QuickBooks at zero. Different po kasi yun. Hindi sila connected. So kahit mag-expire yan, you can still take the exam. Kasi hindi mo na magagamitin yun. I mean, yun kasi, it's for navigating lang. But different po kasi yung access po ng exam. So, kahit mag-lapse na yung free trial mo, you can still access pa rin the exam. Okay. Thank you po, Mommy ST. How much po ang course? That's 3,500 po. Meron na po tayo, doon po sa 3,500, you have 1 year access po sa Teachable. So, Teachable po yung ginagamit natin, wherein you can watch po the pre-recorded videos, self-paced training po tayo, and we have also live sessions po, weekly live session, wherein doon po kami nag-hands-on training. Ito pa yung isang maganda kasi sa mastery course ni FHMoms. We do hands-on training. Nag-hands-on po talaga kami. Talagang yung mga students ko po, pinapaano ko yan. Pinag-share ko talaga yan ng screen nila. And then they have to discuss to me how, dapat i-show nila sa akin paano dapat gawin dyan. Paano ka mag-enter ng invoice, paano mag-enter ng bill, mga ganong scenario. So, bibigyan ko sila ng problem, and then, or ng scenario, and then they have to explain to me how will they go, o paano nila isusolve yung, paano nila ina-navigate yung QuickBooks para ma-enter nila yun sa system. Ayan. Thank you po, Mami Nian. Mami, what are the difference ng practicing ng bookkeeping online versus freelance bookkeeper sa mga physical store? Medyo na-confuse ko sa question. Ulitin ko lang basahin na. What are the difference ng practicing bookkeeping online versus freelance bookkeeper sa mga physical store? Mami, actually, wala. Bookkeeping online, pareho lang yun. Yung bookkeeping on freelance bookkeeper. Mami Katrina, no, if pwede pa-elaborate tong question, medyo vague yung sa akin, parang incomplete yung information. Kailangan ko ng specific na information para maintindihan ang question. Medyo nalito ako, hindi ko maintindihan yung question. So, balikan natin yung question niya, baka may follow-up information. What are the things that I need to familiarize in so that I could follow the course? Like, do I need to learn the terms for bookkeeping or will you teach them? Thank you po, Mami Glenda. Sa mastery course po natin, no, Mami, meron po tayong basic bookkeeping. So, dapat po talaga, para mas ma-appreciate niyo po kasi, or mas maintindihan ng paggamit ng accounting system, is dapat talaga, you know, the bookkeeping basics. So, kasama po iyon sa mastery course po. Meron po tayong 12 lessons na doon po nakafocus sa basic bookkeeping. Thank you po, Mami Glenda. And gaano matagal ang duration po ng training? Okay, normally po 4 weeks. And kaya lang siya nagiging 5 weeks kasi gawa ng practical test. So parang naglalaan ako ng extra 1 week for the practical exam. So hindi naman ibig sabihin 1 week yung practical exam. Pero ibig sabihin, para may allowance tayo naman. Pero normally po 4 weeks po. 4 weeks po yung training. And I just want to reiterate lang po, hindi po ito yung setting na like ng online classes ng mga anak natin na we will meet every day and then magtuturo ko in front of you. It's not like that. Self-paced training po ito. Meaning, kaya nga po tayo mayroong mga pre-recorded videos is that you will study them. Kayo po yung manonood, pag-aaralan, and then during our live session, if you have questions, pwede po natin yan sagutin. And sa live session din po, nag-discuss din naman po. Para lang malinaw tayo, no? Baka mamaya mag-expect kayo na parang katulad din sa mga anak natin. It's not that kind of para na tayong nag-college na ginawa natin. And hindi ganun yung tsura niya. Anyways, sorry po. Zero knowledge po talaga ako sa bookkeeping. Required po ba na college credit for the qualifications ng client bago ka nila i-hire sa bookkeeper? Okay, so to be honest, hindi ko kasi masasabing lahat hindi requirement. So before, ang masasabi ko lang, mommy, dapat before you apply on something, you double check first kung ang requirement ba nila ay bachelor. Hindi ko kasi pwede siyang sabihin na hindi require eh. Kasi meron pa rin clients talaga na nagre-require na college graduate ka. Meron namang hindi mahigpit kasi ang tinitingnan nila is your capabilities or yung skill set mo. So it really depends po sa client. So hindi mo kasi totally pwedeng sabihin na hindi siya required. Definitely, there are some that will require that. Some will not. So, it depends po sa requirement ng job na ina-applyan nyo. So, one thing for sure is to make sure na nabasa po ninyo. Hindi yung scheme nabasa ha. Talagang babasahin nyo po kung ano yung requirements. Para din syempre, hindi maaksaya yung time ninyo sa pag-a-apply. And then, hindi rin maaksaya yung time ng client. So, yun yung mapapayo ko dyan. Thank you po, mami. Zoom po ba ang gagamitin during the live training? Yes po, Mami Glenda. Zoom po kami. Zoom. Zoom po ang ating gagamitin for the live training. Nag-enroll ako ng course noong 2020 pero hindi ko natapos. If ma-certify ako ng QBO, makakakuha pa ba ako ng certificate of completion kahit matagal na nung nag-enroll ako? Mami, unfortunately po, hindi po. Kasi syempre, it's so matagal na. Kumbaga, na-expire na yung, I believe, I know hindi ka na makakakuha. Imagine mo, mami, 2022 na ngayon. Parang, di ba? I believe hindi ako kasi 2020, teka lang, hindi pa yata ako hindi pa ako nagtuturo yata ng 2020. Oo. So, kumbaga, I believe this is from a different from a different coach. Okay. So, mami, I don't know kasi if what's the yung sa batch ng 2020, no? I believe you have to raise your concern po with the e-learning team. Kindly email na lang po learn@fhmoms.com and then tell them your concern po. Kasi this 2020 po, I believe hindi pa ako nagtuturo niyan. So, I really have no idea po when it comes to kung ano yung naging niyo dyan. Kung ano yung kasunduan baga or anything. No, thank you po, mami, sa question. Ayan. So, basta po, yun nga, yung concern na ganyan, i-directa na po natin sa ating sa e-learning team. Again, learn@fhmoms.com. Ayan. One-on-one po yung practical exam. Hindi po. Hindi po siya, what do you mean one-on-one? As in yung mag-schedule tayo, tapos isa-isa. Hindi po ganon. Ang practical exam po is sabay-sabay niyo po yung i-take. And then you have to submit it. So, kailan po ang next schedule ng training? So, ayan, napagandang question ng ating isang Facebook user na hindi nagpapakita ang pangalan. Actually po, open na po ang ating enrollment for the July batch. Kasi ongoing na po ang June, sarado na po ang June, wala na pong hahabol ha. Pang July na po ang ating sunod. So ongoing na po ang ating enrollment for the July batch. And another thing po is until June 30 po ang enrollment. Tama po ba ako? June 30 nga. Hanggang June 30 nga, no? Tanga. Baka may June 30 ako na June 30. Tapos hindi pala. Wait lang. Ayan. Yes, ayan. Ayan. So, ayun nga. Sabi po, confirm po. Hanggang June 30 po ang ating enrollment. Again, 3,500 po ang ating training course, and we have hands-on training. You will get 3 certificates po if you've passed all the madibdiban tong exam na to. Tatlo eh. Sorry. Ayun nga. So, once you pass po the certifications, which is magandang pandagdag din po kasi yan when you apply kasi. It's, lalo na ngayon, sikat po ang QuickBooks at Zero. Yun talaga po yung gamit na gamit. And if you are dakilang tambay po kung mahilig kayong mag-search sa Upwork, sa online jobs, makikita nyo po, may ikot lang yan kay QuickBooks at Zero. Iilan lang po yung ibang accounting system. But normally po, makikita nyo puro Zero and QuickBooks siya. Ayan. So again, if you're interested po to enroll, nandyan lang po sa ating comment section ang ating course outline. Kung gusto niyo pong makita yung ano ba yung mga lessons na discuss natin. Plus, we also have the link po for the enrollment form. If you want to enroll, ayan, look fresh sa ating screen, courses.fhmoms.com. So, marami po tayong courses, no? We have the GBA, we have the SMM, accounting and bookkeeping, and saka yung may e-commerce tayo, di ba? Kay Mama Regine, e-commerce siya tayo. Ayun, e-commerce siya. So, marami po tayo, meron tayong 4 dyan na pagpipilian. So, if you want to enroll po sa accounting and bookkeeping, tamang-tama po, pagpunta nyo po sa courses.fhmoms.com, hanapin lang po ang accounting and bookkeeping with Mommy Jahz. Ayan. So, anyways, mukhang wala na naman masyadong questions. Sabihin ko lang isa, may nakita ko nagtatanong kung kailan doon start ng July. Normally po, first Monday po. So, kailan ba ang first Monday ng July? Parang July 4 yata ang first Monday, no? Basta po, first Monday po ng July, normally po ang ating start ng class. Ayun, July 4 na, confirm. Ayan, kinonfirm na sa akin, July 4. Ayan. Okay, so thank you so much po, no, everyone. So if you have questions, clarifications, send lang po kayo ng message, hanapin niyo po. Bahala ko na po nasaan ako, charot lang. Alam niyo lang po sa Facebook pa. Hindi lang nga lang po ako lagi nag-online, no, pero pag online ako, replyan ko naman kayo. So thank you so much po, everyone. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. Nax, may pa ganon. Alam ko, excited na kayo kasi today is Friday. It is waving at us. So, happy weekend. God bless us all. Ingat kayong lahat. Stay safe. And I hope to see you in our next free live webinar. Ito maganda, no? Sa webinar natin. No, baby. Ito po ang problema sa work from home. Kalat-kalat, anak. So, ganito. Our next webinar kasi would be on June 24 ata. Tama ba ako? Tanda ako. Parang June 24 ngayon. Next webinar, ang mag-aan that time or discuss will be all about financial reports. So, attend kayo, ha? Maganda yon. Additional info din kasi yon, additional knowledge. So, hitik sa kaalaman tayo sa susunod na Friday. Hindi pa tong Friday na to, ha? Yung next Friday pa ata yun. So, thank you so much. Abangan nyo lang yung yung posting natin, no? Para sa, June 24 nga, ano ba yan? Nilito na ako sa date. Sorry, wala pa akong tulog. Lutang tayo ngayon. Charot lang. And again, thank you so much po. So, I hope to see you on our next webinar. Bye, everyone. God bless. Thank you.
Tara na tumutok na sa FHMoms Radio. Habang ika'y nagre-relax sa bahay mo.
FHMoms Radio. Changing lives. One mom at a time. Moving forward. Giving back. with FHMoms Radio.
Tara na tumutok na sa FHMoms Radio. Habang ika'y nagre-relax sa bahay mo, marami kang matututunan dahil di lang basta chikahan. FHMoms Radio, mga mamshi ating to.
Tara na mga mamshi, mami, nanay o mama, andito na ang FHMoms makakasama. Ang online radio na magbibigay advice at mga kwento na siguradong mapapanay. Ito ay hindi lang basta mga chikahan, andito sila upang ikaw ay gabayan. Turuan ng mga tips sa paghahanap buhay at maging isa ka sa successful na nanay. O diba? Kaya saan ka pa? Basta ikaw ay mamshi, dito bida ka. FHMoms Radio #1. Ito ang online radio ng sangkanan na yan. Di ka lang basta nanay, ikaw ay super nanay. Para sa pamilya ang lahat ay iaalay, lahat ibibigay, lahat ay kayang gawin ng iyong pagiging nanay, lalo pang palakasin.
FHMoms Radio.
Tara na tumutok na sa FHMoms Radio. Habang ika'y nagre-relax sa bahay mo, marami kang matututunan dahil di lang basta chikahan. FHMoms Radio, mga mamshi ating to. Mga mamshi, tara na, dito'y bidang-bida ka. Ipagmalaki natin na tayo'y magigiting nga ina. Mga mami, tara na, dito'y bidang-bida ka. Ipagmalaki natin na tayo'y magigiting nga ina.
FHMoms Radio.
Tara na tumutok na sa FHMoms Radio. Habang ika'y nagre-relax sa bahay mo, marami kang matututunan dahil di lang basta chikahan. FHMoms Radio, mga mamshi ating to. Tara na tumutok na sa FHMoms Radio. Habang ika'y nagre-relax sa bahay mo, marami kang matututunan dahil di lang basta chikahan. FHMoms Radio, mga mamshi ating to.
Tambay na! Nagbabalik ang FHMoms Radio.